So I wanted to do a quick little video on this stand mixer that I purchased from Amazon. The brand name is SVEWT, S-V-E-W-T. And, you know, I'm not comparing it to any other stand mixer, but I was pretty impressed with it, actually. It's a nice big size. It comes with this gorgeous stainless steel bowl with handle. I love the handle. You can see there it has the whisk, and the other attachments are dough hook, metal, this is metal, and the beater, as well as some other accessories. And one of the great things about this is that it's so quiet. Like it's not rattling around or making this obnoxious noise. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see, but it's really nice. Hold on just a second. And so I turn it on. Nice and quiet. It's not making an obnoxious noise. It's a little bit more noisy as you turn it up, but as to be expected. Really nice. I am impressed with it, and it's a good option at like a third of the cost of other stand mixers. So I'd say go for it. See here. Butter guard.